Hi, philosophy students. I just wanted to kind of tell you what's going on for week two. Welcome those of you that just added onto this class, kind of like just jumped on board this moving train. I hope today you didn't watch the Lions. That was a debacle. I know I'm wearing my Lions shirt, but I'm going to rip it up and throw it in a dumpster and just throw it away forever and pick a new team because that was just terrible. But for those of you that are doing week two, that should have been the 31st. Um, Start was ended, I think week two ended on the 6th or the 7th. So, anyways, there's two start dates, the 24th and the 31st. Now, starting on the 9th is week three for the 24th in week two for the 31st. So that's where we are right now. For week two, it's basically finishing up unit one. The unit one objectives are to define philosophy, study the questions that philosophers do, look at the questions that they ask, look at philosophy as a whole and what it studies, and look at your personal philosophy and basically kind of see where um, where philosophy can take you and kind of its realms and its limits. So that's where we are right now. Week two is basically just finishing up unit one, and I think there's two discussions. One is what my personal philosophy is, and another one is along those lines, like a something like personal about yourself. So, um, unit two is coming up in week three, and that's what I will be talking about next. So, another thing is please add yourselves to remind. I've been posted in previous announcements about how to get into that because then I can post or I can send links via phone very quickly or email if you so choose. And it's a very quick way for me to communicate with you. And communication is the key. Another thing is the table of contents, which I posted that shows what week you're supposed to be on. It's color coded. I did embed some links for things to make it easier for you. And then the course assignment list shows you what assignments you should be doing week by week. If there's any more resources that you need me to add, let me know because I love to add as many resources to make it easier for you as possible. And also, I love suggestions. So any suggestions that you have would be great. So far, I've just started grading your work. Some of the just beginnings of your assignments have come in, and so far, I like what I see. The only thing I would say is make sure that you err on the side of being specific and detailed, and don't assume that I know anything. I know I teach the class. I know a lot about philosophy, but it's better. Will give me a better answer as if you assume that I don't know anything and put as much detail and specific. Whoa, it's getting late. Specificity into your answers as you can, because that makes for a stronger answer, and you're more likely to get full credit. That being said, tally ho, let's keep riding this train to the finish line. And what is it? January? I think this is 18 weeks, so it's January because I have a trimester class and that ends earlier. So I gotta get it all straight in my head. But I do have the start and end dates on there for you. And if you have any questions about your start or end dates as well, please let me know. If any of you have some special thing going on where you need to finish before the end date, make sure you let me know because I have to have grades in like 3 days before that final grade is supposed to be posted. That's about it. Um, have a great week, and I hope you're having a great couple weeks of first weeks of school. So, all right, until next time. See ya.